to make and create computer logo on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account, click here on create a design, search for logo, click on the first option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here, scroll down until you find computer logo option right here. As you can see, click on see all and choose a template, for example this one, and now you can change the text very easy. As you can see, after you finish, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.